Thank you very much for Joanne for inviting JICA for this very interesting roundtable. And thank you for very inspiring discussion between Clifford and Michael. Thank you very much. You know, Joanne, as you mentioned, the health is really one of the pillars of our cooperation to low and the middle-income countries. And we have extended our support over 100 countries. And in that, let me first saying that, you know, our principal partners are still with the public sector. And we're investing on the capacity development of the public sector. And that really had a very impactful results, particularly in this time of COVID-19 pandemic. One of the such example is that partnership, long-standing partnership with our partner in Ghana, which is Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research, which JICA helped to establish over 40 years ago, and we continue to partner with still. And then they are providing like 20,000 PCR tests a week, and covering like 80% of a total PCR tests conducted in Ghana, and they are the really driving force for Ghana efforts to you know, fight this pandemic. And another example is our partnership with the Chorai Hospital in Vietnam. Again, the partnership dates back to the Vietnam War era. Actually, we helped establish the hospital, and we continue to invest in the human resource development. And now Chorai Hospital is one of the reference hospital to treat the very sick patient with COVID-19. So I think we really strongly believe in the need for investing in people. Not only the infrastructure, but I think the people is the key to any development issues. And that also the same with our partnership with the private sector partner as well. And I think you know, another example maybe is it's not really a private sector, but I want to share another example with our partnership with the vocational training school in DRC Congo. They have come up with this idea of producing water dispenser so that the people can wash hand without touching any taps or things. You know, the sensor can test your temperature as well, and then with the sensor, you know, the water is automatically dispensed together with the soap. So I think you know, we strongly believe in ingenuity and entrepreneurship, but I think that always comes back to the importance of human resources. So I think you know, continue to invest in human resource is really the key to develop for the development of the countries, and also the private sector as well. And now we are expanding our partnership with the private sector as well. Like again, with the importance of human resources in mind, one of such program is what we call is the ABE program, Africa Business Program, and with that we are inviting students from Africa to come to Japan to study in the top-notch universities in Japan. But they are the ones who are expected to work in the private sector, not in the public sector. You know, we are providing a lot of the training programs for public sector officials, but this is really for the development of the private sector. So they are expected to go back to their own countries but continue to contribute to the development of the private sector. So many of them are employed, or some of them studied their own programs. So I think they are the contributing in their own ways to the health and other development issues. So I think what I want to emphasize here today with you all is that it's really the human resource. I think investing in human resources, this is really the key for both the public and private sector development. Thank you.